Police swarm a neighborhood street after hearing this.
A male subject is stating he shot his 10-year-old brother.
Scary to hear. That's the call that prompted this response in Cape Coral, but thankfully that call wasn't real. Welcome into Wink News at 10. I'm Amanda Hall.
And I'm Russ McCaskey. Turns out that was a swatting call, and while fake, the response was very real. The Night Beat's Justin Case joins us live at Cape Coral Police Department. Justin, these calls are no joke. In fact, they have serious consequences, but there are also unintended consequences.
That's right. I spoke with retired FBI agent Robert Foley, and he told me that police officers responding to fake threats just like this one takes away actual resources from real emergencies. In fact, we heard that was the case in this call today. We heard dispatchers rerouting officers from other calls to this fake threat. It's the kind of call that makes your heart sink.
Advising that a male subject is stating he shot his 10-year-old brother.
You heard that right. Cape Coral police rushed to this neighborhood along Northeast 18th Avenue, expecting to find a child with a gunshot wound.
Possibly still has a loaded weapon on him.
But it didn't take long for police to determine that the call was fake and likely the sick prank of a swatter. Retired FBI agent Robert Foley says you can't even begin to imagine the danger of swatting calls, both for police and people at the home.
When you have people in their homes and their door crashes in, they don't know who's on the other side of their door. So that immediately creates a very dangerous environment, and firearms will almost always be involved.
The people at the home who we could see speaking with police apparently did not appreciate us being there. Neighbors told us they're thankful no one got hurt, but they're deeply troubled by how someone could make up a story about a child being shot.
That's very unacceptable and very terrifying.
Whoever lied about a child being shot isn't off the hook. Foley says detectives will try to figure out if the people at the home know anyone who'd want to do this to them. He says law enforcement has the tools to find who did this.
The investigation there will consist of subpoenas, mainly through a broadband company that would provide a VoIP service. Those subpoenas almost always lead back to email accounts.
And it's not clear if the people at the home have children, but Robert Foley told me if they did, that's where he would start if he was investigating this. He said looking at social media, looking at who the people inside the home are communicating with could point investigators in the right direction to figure out who did this and who's responsible. But in the meantime, police are confirming that no one inside the home is responsible for making that call. Live on the Night Beat, Justin Case, Wink News.